Cuisinart Clermont Pellet Grill and Smoker, the ultimate outdoor cooking solution. Hey there, cooking enthusiasts! Today, we're going to introduce you to the ultimate outdoor cooking solution, the Cuisinart Clermont Pellet Grill and Smoker. If you're someone who loves the smell of barbecue, smoking meat, and cooking outdoors, then you're going to love this product. So what makes the Cuisinart Clermont Pellet Grill and Smoker so special? Well, let's start with the design. This grill has a sleek, modern look that's sure to impress your guests. Plus, it's made with high-quality materials, so it's built to last. One of the best features of this grill is its versatility. With a temperature range of 180 F to 450 F, you can use it to smoke, roast, grill, and even bake. And thanks to the digital temperature control system, you can easily set the temperature to whatever you need. But perhaps the most impressive thing about the Cuisinart Clermont Pellet Grill and Smoker is its fuel source. Unlike traditional charcoal or gas grills, this grill uses wood pellets. This not only adds a delicious smoky flavor to your food, but also makes it much easier to control the temperature. Plus, since the pellets are made from renewable resources, it's an eco-friendly choice. Another great feature of this grill is its size. With 573 square inches of cooking space, you'll have plenty of room to cook for your family and friends. And if that's not enough, there's even a warming rack to keep your food hot until you're ready to serve. And let's not forget about the cleanup. With a porcelain-coated cooking grate and a removable ashtray, cleaning up after your meal is a breeze. Overall, we think the Cuisinart Clermont Pellet Grill and Smoker is the ultimate outdoor cooking solution. Whether you're a seasoned pit master or a beginner, this grill is easy to use and delivers delicious results. So why not take your outdoor cooking game to the next level with the Cuisinart Clermont Pellet Grill and Smoker?